Hey guys, good morning. So today I'm going to make Apam Balik, and I tried to make it before. It's such a disaster, guys. Maybe I'm using electric stove. I don't know. I made it before and using gas stove, and I don't have problem with that. I think the heat is quite spread evenly on a gas stove instead of electric stove. So I'm going to try my luck with my pressure cooker because I heard pressure cooker make an amazing apam balik. So wish me luck, okay guys? This is my experiment. I'm going to start with 2 cups of self-raising flour, 1 egg, half cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of water. Mix the whole batter until smooth. Oh yeah, I also add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is optional, but the smell is going to be amazing later once it's done. Then just continue stirring and put aside for at least 30 minutes. This is how I use it. Saute, heat, okay, cooking time, add 1 and start. Just about 1 minute, I can see the bubble already. The edges starting to form up. So let's try. The first apam balik, a little bit thick, and it turned out like this. Not sure why it turned out like this. Guys, this looks nice. It's not, I just check. Okay, you can check like this lah. You push this. Of course, you need to use this one, okay, because of the flexibility. You push it in, and you pick a bit. Ooh, nice. Okay. Okay, turn it. Wow, gorgeous one. Wow, so gorgeous one. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So this is the final product. What do you think? Hey guys, so my Apam Balik is done. Nice or not? Wow, it smells amazing. I think you should put vanilla essence like I did. It smells amazing. So I can't wait to try. Okay? Yeah. So good. I can taste the butter, the corn, the ground peanut. So nice. I think now I'm going to enjoy my Apam Balik. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.